Hey, what's up? I'm Alex from Vizard, and today I'm walking you through a seriously useful step-by-step workflow to build a brand avatar for your product. We are going to turn your long-form footage into high-performing short clips, and then use those assets to crush it organically and with ads. I'll show the exact creative flow I'd use from inspiration to final scheduled posts, and I will drop the specific prompts and tiny hacks so you can copy this whole thing. You're probably wondering why you should even make a brand avatar in the first place. Because people connect with characters way more than they connect with static logos or boring product shots. Think about every team with a mascot. A humanized face or personality makes your brand infinitely more memorable to your audience. We are creating a persona that embodies the vibe, language, and aesthetic you already have, and then using that persona to narrate your content. For this walkthrough, imagine we're working with a clean, science-forward wellness brand, specifically a magnesium-based sleep supplement company. The website is crisp, the copy talks about recovery and sharper focus, and the visuals are muted purples and blacks. That gives us a clear direction for our avatar. A calm, confident, slightly techie doctor type who is relatable but smart. Step 1 is gathering your inspiration and assets, so start by scraping everything you can find from your current brand. Download screenshots, product photos, hero shots, and your best performing captions so you can absorb the true brand voice. Step 2 is the persona brainstorm, where we define exactly who this character is. For our magnesium brand, imagine a 35-year-old approachable research-minded guy who is grounded and entrepreneurial. Step 3 is generating the visuals, so I use MidJourney to make a base face and character for the brand. Here is a tight prompt you can steal. 35-year-old handsome male doctor, calm expression, fitted lab coat, clean minimal style, dark muted color palette. Keep generating until you hit that one image that really feels like your brand's spokesperson. Pro tip, don't stop at just one image. Generate 20 variants so you have different expressions like smiling, serious, or explaining. Step 4 is refining these images in Photoshop to clean up the backgrounds and export them as PNGs with transparency. Save multiple crops like a headshot for your profile and a half-body shot for your thumbnails. Step 5 is recording your long-form content, such as a 10-minute talk, a live stream, or an interview. The content should be rich with hooks, micro-stories, and practical tips that your audience will actually want to watch. Step 6 is where the magic happens, and that is uploading your video to Vizard. Simply drop your long video into Vizard and hit the Auto-Edit Viral Clips button to let the AI do the work. The AI will scan your video and pull the moments that look and sound like viral gold, specifically strong hooks and emotional beats. Why this matters is that manually hunting for clips is the single biggest time sink if you are trying to scale your content output. Vizard automates that process, so you can spend your creative energy on the persona and the messaging instead of tedious scrub time. Step 7 is review and tweak, where you skim the generated clips to keep the best ones and trim if necessary. Because you built a clear persona, you will know instantly what fits your brand and what just does not. Step 8 is captions and calls to action, where Vizard helps you generate multiple variations tailored to specific platform conventions. Pick a few options, like one that is educational and one that is meme-forward, to test which one performs better. Step 9 is the content calendar, where you can schedule your clips directly in Vizard to go live at the perfect time. Vizard's auto-schedule will automatically pick posting slots based on your settings, so you do not have to babysit your social media accounts. Step 10 is extra polish, where you can use text-to-speech or a voice actor to make the avatar actually talk. You can also add light motion to your avatar PNG in After Effects to give it life without heavy animation. Now, let's talk about where Vizard stands out compared to other tools on the market today. It is not the fanciest timeline in the world, but it is intentionally focused on finding the best clips for virality. That combination of smart auto-editing plus the built-in calendar is what turns one long video into a perpetual content machine. Let me show you a short example script you can use if your avatar is the doctor persona talking about sleep. You are probably not tired, you are just underperforming because most people mistake fog for normal life. What if I told you that there is a 3-step tweak that flips the switch so you don't just sleep more, you operate on another level? You can take that long video, upload it to Vizard, and it automatically outputs that hook clip plus the deeper dive clips. A couple production hacks I swear by include keeping your long-form recording slightly slower than normal. Use consistent lighting and background so that your avatar overlays look cohesive and professional across all your clips. Drop your brand elements like colors, logos, and fonts into Vizard's project settings so exported clips keep visual consistency. Also, do not be shy about reusing the avatar across non-video assets like email headers or thumbnails. Let's talk metrics, because when you consistently publish 3 clips a week from a single long video, you get compounding returns. One long interview can turn into 30 clips, and some will flop, but a few will pop, and that is how you scale reach without scaling time. The scheduling features mean you are not manually posting every single day, which is exactly where most creators burn out. One last thing about competitors is that some promise auto clips but force you to download files and manually format for each platform. Vizard bundles discovery, clip creation, caption variations, and scheduling in one pipeline, and that is the real time saver. Alright, here is your recap. Gather brand assets, design a persona, record a value-heavy video, and upload to Vizard. Use the auto-edit feature to extract viral moments, review and add avatar overlays, and schedule everything across your platforms. If you are building a brand, seriously consider adding an avatar to your creative stack because it humanizes your posts and increases recall. And pair that with an AI-first workflow, like Vizard, so you are not trading all of your time for business growth. All right, I will leave you with this. Try it on just one piece of long content this week to see what your audience actually wants. If something pops, you will know how to double down. So make the avatar, make the long form, and let Vizard do the heavy lifting. It is repeatable, it is cost-effective compared to hiring editors, and it is highly scalable for your future growth. Now go make something that people actually remember, and I will see you in the next one.